In this video, we're going to talk about how to calculate the sample variance using the TI-84 calculator. So the very first thing that you want to do is click on Stat, and then under the Edit tab here, you want to make sure that you're on Edit and click Enter. And that will allow you to edit your lists of numbers. So you just want to type your data points into the list. 25, and hit Enter. 23, hit Enter. 22, 20, and 21. Hit Enter. And so once you have all of your data points typed in, then what you want to do is click Stat again, and then go over to Calc, and then just select number 1 here, 1 var stats, and click Enter. All right, make sure it's on L1. We want to use L1 to do this. And then freq list, we don't have to worry about that. That's the frequency list if you have another list with the frequencies in there. And then scroll down arrow to calculate. Click Enter. And this will give us all of the stats that we need. So here's the sample mean, the sum of all the values, the sum of the squares. And here is the sample standard deviation. And here is the population standard deviation, right? And so, but they will not give us the variance, the sample variance, or the sample or population variance. But we can get what we need, which is the sample variance, by using the sample standard deviation, right? All we need to do is to square that. So you would just have to square this number, and then that will give you the sample variance, which is what we want here. So rather than just like writing down this number, right, and then punching it into the calculator, there's a better way to do it on the TI-84. What you want to do is go down to VARs, click on that, and then scroll down to Statistics, click Enter, and then this will allow you to pick out any of those statistics that you want. We want the sample standard deviation, SX, not the population, sigma X, right? And so hit Enter, and that will pull it out here so you can make calculations with it. And what we want to do to find the variance is to square it. And so just click the square button and click Enter, and there we go. That's the sample variance.